Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Are you done with school now?
Yeah.
Oh, she's back home. You miss me?
I didn't miss you, but I just got
Wait, how's school today?
bad. But because I got a
You
boo-boo.
got a boo-boo. That's okay. We'll get better. Because why did you get a boo-boo? What did you do?
Because I was trying to peel my nail off and then it bled very quickly.
Be quiet na because Kai is sleeping. And what is today? Kai is what? Kai is 2.
What is it?
Kai is?
I want to be his cake.
Yes. Kai is 2.
2-month birthday.
2 months. Yes, Kai is 2 months today. And he's still sleeping, guys.
Is it a 2-month birthday?
Yeah, 2 months today.
I could. Is there any cupcake there?
No, just a cake.
I really want to eat the cake now.
Still sleeping.
Cake though. I really want.
JJ.
Do you want to do?
You want JJ?
Nakagising niya lang, guys. Ginisik man.
Okay, which one?
Obo, grabe ko na sad face
The
kid
lock
na.
is behind his back. The lock is behind his back.
Kai, ano na?
No.
It was 3 hours, almost 4 hours haven't did it. No? Where's my phone?
Where's the bubble tea? Can I have bubble tea?
Here.
Is that my bubble tea? Are you sure it's mine? Who said that was mine?
It's mommy.
Oh, where's my phone, Mom? Oh, come back.
Last feed 3 hours and 30 minutes.
Magic to get a dummy. Look at magic on there.
You crazy?
There's magic on there.
Nakabihis, guys. Pinili ko yung Barbie na the dress. Nakabihis na siya. Naka-Barbie na siya. Bumalik siya sa room niya.
Magic chocolate dummy.
Pinalitan ng Elsa. My goodness.
You don't have a magic wand.
Oh, Kai wants to didi lang. Last feed niya.
Magic to Frozen.
I'm Elsa now. Let it go. Let it go.
Magic to Frozen eyes.
Kai wanna didi na.
My head to freeze
Yeah,
when I
Ma.
said Frozen
Mommy,
eyes.
he's hungry.
Oh, look, Kai is doing didi on daddy. Look, Kai is doing didi on daddy.
Don't tickle me.
Hello.
Don't tickle me, little boy.
He wants to didi on daddy. Is that funny?
Poop on your face. Poop on your face.
Oh, daddy. Oh, silly daddy. Ah.
This is sweet.
Hala, sige. Stretch siya, guys. Tapos siya lang magdidi. Hindi ko alam kung tapos na. Magko-continue pa. Ulo. Oh, stretch pa more. Malaglag ka na, oh. Block jump. Hala. Oh, tulog. Oh. Hala. Tulog ka? Tulog o gising yan? Tingnan nyo naman yung pata. Tingnan mo natin ang sausage roll mo. Oh. Are you sleeping? Malaglag ka na, oh. Huh? Hala, ka cute. Hala, ka cute, buyag-buyag. Hala, natulog na nga. Oh. Gising yang na. Si ate nandito. What did you do, ate?
Nothing.
What nothing?
I didn't do nothing.
You didn't do anything?
Nothing that I told you.
Nako, so cute. Happy 2 months to my baby Kai. Happy 2 months to my baby Kai. Happy 2 months to my baby Kai. Hala, kadako. Buyag-buyag. Happy 2 months to my baby, Kai. You're 2 months today, my love. Kulang pa nga lang yung calendar. Kasi 28 pa lang today. Kasi wala namang 31 yung Feb. Kai. Hala, tingnan mo. Buyag-buyag, Kai. Hala, ang bata ko, ka-cute. Tapos na lang magdede. Dinirect clutch ko siya para hindi na ako mag-pump dito sa kabila. Pero sa kabila, kailangan ko pa din mag-pump na. Kasi man, hindi ko alam kung magdedede pa siya. If magdede pa siya, dito ko siya ipapalatch sa left side. Kasi tingnan nyo, solve na siya. Isang boob pa lang yun. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, let's say 15 minutes siya dito sa right boob ko, guys. Need to change your nappy? Hindi ko alam kung matutulog ko agad. Hala, nakasmile na naman. Ay, bakit ka tulog? Mommy's gonna take picture of you, my love. You're gonna be Captain America! Shk! Captain America! Shk! Be stretch. Stretch lang. Uy, stretch lang. Captain America today. Diba? Ginising. Ginising man ni Mommy yan. Natutulog man yan. It's okay, my love. Later ka na matulog, ha? Later na ulit. Let's take a picture. Ha? Grabe, iyak ka kanina pagising niya. Tingnan niyo, namumula na naman ang itsura. Meron na namang rash. Oy. This is Kai's cake, guys. Ayan. Captain America siya today. My love, happy 2 months. Ayan siya, oh. Bihisan natin. Hala. Ginagawa.
I look at the TV.
Bihisan natin siya, guys. And picturean natin siya dito sa kanya bed.
I wanna see.
Dito ko siya pipicturean.
What is this?
Mia, malaglag.
I want to see.
Yeah, you already see. My gosh.
Oh my god.
Kahapon namin to pinick up.
Let's put some blue jelly on it.
Let's put it here. I'll try to take a photo. Mia, Kaikai's watching TV. Uy, ito yung costume ni Kaikai. Yan. Ayan yung pa-costume niya, guys. Captain America siya today. Hala, Mia, ano pinagagawa ng ate, oh? Kailan niya pinagagawa? Oh, sige. Oh, be careful. Oh. Ay, be careful. The feet, the legs. Itong batang to talaga. So, si Daddy umalis, guys. Pumunta siya nag-shop to buy seafood. Magluluto daw siya ng seafood. Hindi ko naman nung lulutuin mamaya. Pero magsi-seafood kami mamaya. Picturean ko to. Later. Nagising pa naman ang ating buboy. Magsasmile kaya ito? Yes, tapanay! You're gonna hurt his head. Wala ka siya pa sa'yo. Fine. Hindi ko alam kung kasya pa sa'yo ito, Kai. 0 to 3 months to. Ba, nito Kai ka much. Hala, Kai, parang hindi na pala, Kai. Uy, umanak ka na. Parang tamang-tama lang siguro. Yes, Kai is the America. Yay! Hala. Seated sa'yo, Kai.
Help!
What happened?
Mommy, come. Hi, brother, can you help me? I'm falling in the lava. Kai!
Help! Kai! Kai, Captain America! Coming! Here you go! Shh!
Kai!
You look like an egg with your hat, with your ano. Mama, you look like an egg! Oh my goodness! Sabihin niya, Mommy, what are you doing to me? You look like an egg. Seriously. Tingnan niyo to. Chubby cheeks na kasi siya. Tingnan niyo siya. Tingnan! Hello, Kuy. You look like an egg with your hat. Binny. Let's see. Uy, yung ano, healthy. Where's the toy? Hi, guys! Smile, ate! Uy! I'm taking pictures. Smile! Hi, guys! Smile, guys! Smile, Mia. Yay! Tico, Kai! Tika, boo! Tika, boo! Bilis, bakit naging balik? Tika, boo! Tika, boo! Just take off your hat, Kai, because you look funny, boy. You look like an egg, boy. You look like an egg. Okay, again. Kai. Smile, ate. Ate, smile. Kai. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Kai. Smile, ate. And Kai lang. Mia, your leg. Kasi, see, in the picture, it looks so ugly. Okay. Hey guys, smile! Hi, smile! Mia, smile na properly. Yay!
That's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Dali na ko, Kai, gonna cry na. 1, 2, 3, smile, Kai! Smile! Mia, move your feet. So dirty na, oh. Okay, move a little bit because you're getting taller, my love. Your feet, oh. Okay, ate, move na. Dali. Kai. Peekaboo! Kai. Peekaboo! Kai. Mama. Hey, Mama, Kai. Hey, Mama, Kai. Kai. Hey, Mama, Kai. Hey, Mama, Kai. Hey, Mama, Kai. Ha. Yeah. Did you put it there? Hey, Mama, Kai. I'm a mommy, Kai. Ay, kagapo.
I'm so sad.
Kai lang. No, it's okay na. Bali yung Third na ikaw. Third na amon Kai. Kapoy na siya, guys. Dami nang kuha ni Mami. Sana may okay tayong shots. Ito. Sana may okay tayong shots ng Kai.
Look at me.
Kai.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy 2 months, Kai. Happy 2 months, Kai Kai. Happy 2 months, dear Kai Kai. Happy 2 months, Kai Kai.
Hip.
Hooray! Hip
Hip.
hip.
Hooray!
Okay,
Again, say hip hip hip.
Hip.
Hooray!
Say hip hip.
Hip hip.
No, you say it.
Oh, hip hip.
Yay.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Hooray.
Yay! Okay, Kai Kai, blow. Ang natin niya blow. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm not blowing. You're too far, baby. You keep moving the chair. Ready? Yay! Good job, guys. Good job. Kai Kai.
Again, mommy, again.
What again? You only sing once.
Again.
Next month. Next month you sing again.
Don't say again. I just want to blow. I just want to blow.
Ready? Blow again, my dear Kai Kai.
No, blow. Don't blow,
Oh,
Kai.
no,
Don't
okay.
blow.
Just look.
Right.
Ready? Ready?
Don't blow.
I'm not blowing. Go. Come on now. Oh, Kai Kai sleepy. Kai Kai is tired. Kai Kai is tired.
His
Yeah.
head is on the side.
I know. Take off Kai Kai.
Good
No, you're still pushing.
You just made me touch my head.
I'll put Kai Kai upstairs. Daddy is busy cooking in the kitchen. Siya na talaga. Sabi niya, ano gusto mong kainin tonight? Sabi ko, gusto ko seafood. Sabi niya, anong seafood? Prawns and crabs. So, yun, bumili siya guys, seafood. Tapos ngayon, siya pa nagluluto. Ang bait-bait naman ng ating daddy lang. Yeah? Daddy is such a good daddy. Benji, oh. Sabi ka ha.
Iba-iba sila. Meron vitamin C, meron niacinamide, may correcting zero.
Vitamin C is always in the morning.
Vitamin C pwede mo sa gabi. Kaso
Yeah,
meron
vitamin
gabi nga mga hindi pwede i-dungan pala.
Ate is so noisy, guys. Okay, okay. Paliit na ng paliit sa ito. We need a new... Where should that be? Kai Kai is awake. Is Kai Kai awake? Huh? My baby's awake, guys. Are you awake? Ate Mia's busy. What are you playing, my love? Is it Lingo Kids? Lingo Kids. Yung education natin.
Lingo Kids? Lingo Kids is fun.
Yeah, Lingo Kids is good for you. Just don't play something else. That's a educational
Mommy,
game.
look, Lingo Kids have so many. Lingo Kids have so many good stuff and alphabet things.
Yeah, alphabets. Yeah. Ay, ka-cute man na siyang akong baby. Uy, ka-cute man na. Uy. Ay, happy 2 months mala. Kumain na kami ng cake kanina, guys. After namin sa kanya, mag-sing ng 2 months. No, happy 2 months. Kay. Sarap ng cake. Gusto ko pa kumain ulit. And si Daddy, tapos na pala magluto ng seafood. Umalis na siya. Magti-training siya, guys. Magti-training si Daddy. Ha? Lalalala. Tingnan natin mamaya yung niluto ni Daddy. Tingnan lang natin mamaya ang luto ni Daddy, no? Ano? What did Daddy cook? Ating binoil lang niya yung crab tsaka prawns. Ang laki-laki pa naman ng prawns, no? Daddy cook yummy food for you, my boy. Because it's your 2 months, my boy. Oh. Happy 2 months, kay lang. Napaka-tsaba na ng kay. Tsaba na. Antok ka pa? Antok pa to eh. Pinalitan ko lang yung napi kasi puno na. Siya. Nati-disturb yung tulog niya, guys. Paano siya pagising-gising? Kasi basa ang napi ni kay. At least okay lang sa akin yung pagising-gising siya in the morning. Hala, parang nagpupo pa. Kaysa sa gabi. Sa kaumagahan. Yeah. So, kagabi, he gave me another 4 hours na naman, guys. 4 hours to 5 hours sleep. Which is really good. Sana sunod-sunod na, no? Pero normally, he gave me naman. Kaya lang, nung first month niya, paminsan-minsan lang siya. So, minsan-minsan niya lang ako binibigyan ng 3 to 4 hours sleep. Pero ngayon, umabot na ng 4 to 5 hours na, guys. Yes! 4 to 5, ay, nakangiti. 4 to 5 hours na! Yay! Oh! Nag-burp man ikaw. Nag-burp man ang kay ko. Hello, wala mang gatugma ang atin pagpamp-pump man. Kakapump ko lang, guys. Gutom na siya ulit kasi ilang oras na pala, no? 3 hours na pala since your last dede, no? No, kanina nung pinadede ko siya before siya natulog, lang yun. Mabilis lang yun, 5 minutes lang yun, no? Tapos natulog ka na, no? So, kanina pa yung last feed mo, dong. 3 hours pa, dong. Kaya pala pagising-gising ka. No? Kaya pala pagising-gising ikaw, dong. Yung kakapump ko lang, guys, eh. Kaya, bottle feed muna tayo. Kakapump lang ni mami. Wala nang, si mami. Wala nang gatas, dong. Napump na ni mami lahat, dong. May Captain America, ka-cute lang. May Captain America, dudong lang. Hindi mo nasuot yung bini mo kasi mukhang egg ka. Bilog na bilog yung face mo. Bilog na bilog ang face ni Dodong. Hello. Ay, ka-cute man, ah. Nga man, ka-cute lang sang Dodong ko, kadidi. O, sige, didi ka na muna, ah. Your mommy, you're so noisy. Tingnan mo, oh. Captain America pa yan.
There's a lot of crab.
I'll eat the crab. Mia, what are you gonna eat? Crab and prawns as well.
Chicken and cats.
Tadan! O, diba? Cooked by husband. We have sweet and sour fish at ito. Napakalaking prawn crab. Diba? Kain tayo, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Si Kai natutulog and now I can enjoy.
Mommy, Dad, I want spaghetti.
Here. No, I'm gonna give you crab. I'm gonna give you crab. Hindi na. Monitor. Naiwan ko yung monitor sa taas, guys. But let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Gusto ko sabaw. Try natin itong ginawa ni Daddy na sweet and sour. Kaya tayo nag-sweet and sour. That's actually good, babe. Basta siya magluto ba na? Sarap na sarap ako. Oh my god, how big is this prawn?
So good. Pagkaubusan din na ito. Ay! Can we put this?
Ang sarap magkamay.
Sorry. Para dagali.
Guys, tingnan nyo naman ang ating washing machine. It's not draining water.
I had to put this on you now.
Okay, later. Man, I have this, oh. Gusto nyo daw maglagay ng ano. I have this. How are you gonna put it?
It's okay.
No, you can't. Otherwise, it will go ugly. Naglaba ako kahapon ng mga bed sheets. Tapos, nung natapos na guys, hindi ko siya ma-open. And then, nakalagay OE. Tapos, yung OE means unable to drain water. Hindi ko siya ma-open kasi naka-lock siya dahil maraming tubig. Pero, eventually, na-open naman siya. Kaya lang, maraming tubig na lumalabas kasi hindi nga makapag-drain. So, tomorrow, someone will check that and we'll see kung ano ang nangyayari sa ating mga machine. Ang dishwasher hindi gumagana, and this one. And the same year namin siya binili, in fairness naman sa kanilang dalawang. LG yun, and this one LG din. 6 years na sila sa amin, guys. Walang maintenance. No maintenance. Ayan o, niready ko na to kasi lalabhan ko nga.
I need to put this on you.
Pero, hindi na gumana. Ito, gusto maglagay ng
Mama, I
ganyan.
need to put this on you now.
I can't, because I've got this nail polish already. You can't, baby. How about I'll put that on yours? How about that? After shower. We go shower first while baby Kai is sleeping. Is that a good idea?
It will make it shiny and shinier.
Yeah, it's already shiny.
Let's make it more shiny.
Nope.
More shiny.